Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change delivery or click and collect slots. Alright, so how do you change that in Tesco? The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Tesco web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing you like to do is find Tesco. So how or where do you find Tesco? Now you can get Tesco on Google Play Store, Apple Store, or even the web application like I'm using currently. Next one is how can you create an account on Tesco? Now launch in a browser of your choice, and in the browser look for the search bar. In the search bar type tesco.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Tesco. At the top right corner of the website, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tesco. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to change delivery or click and collect slots, of course, while booking or after placing a booking. All right. From this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen. You're gonna find groceries. If NF clothing, you're gonna find Tesco Club Card and rest. So just click on groceries, and that's gonna take you to this window. Now from here you have shop groceries, shop homeware, my account, delivery saver, inspiration and events, favorites, my current order. You're gonna have to click on my current order, and that's gonna take you to your orders tab or your orders window, right? So this is your orders page. All right, so if you have an order already, you're gonna see all your orders here. So if you have an order right here, this is what you're gonna find to change your booking or to change your slot. Now here it says to change the slot you booked while doing your online shop, go to your basket and select change your slot. Okay, so from this page, all right, if you click on your order, you're definitely going to find your basket. So this is your basket, and you're gonna find like the basket for that order. Now under that basket, the next thing you're gonna find is groceries. That's book a slot. So it's saying book a slot right here because I have not booked a slot. But if you've booked a slot already, this is what you're going to see. Change your slot instead of book your slot. So go ahead and click on the change your slot button, which you're gonna find here, and follow through the on-screen prompts to change your slot. All you need to do is to just select a new date and then write a personal note. All right, just whatever you want to do, just follow through the process that you use to book the initial slot. So come over here. Here is gonna change to change your slots. Click on that and follow through the process to book a new slot. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can change delivery or click plus collect slot in Tesco. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.